record. Right. The first thing you do is choose video. The second thing you're going to do is choose what shape or size video, and just for today we're going to use a Facebook video. It will bring up a blank canvas. So the first thing you should consider doing is what kind of background do you want, because they look better if they are on the background. So there's several ways to do a background. If you look down the sidebar down here, there is an option that says backgrounds.
Yeah.
So if you click on that, there's like recently used landscapes, patterns, gradients, food, nature, all sorts of things. Okay. If you don't like any of those, we can also go and look under photos. So I actually, when I was practicing this morning, I typed in velvet.
Okay.
Just because it looks quite nice on velvet. But you know, you can choose flowers, whatever. As well as in elements, you can also check. I don't know if they have anything under velvet. Oh, they've got like a dark blue or a red, or some of these kind of like. Well, this one looks like satin, but for now,
yeah, either one. Yeah, just pick anyone. I'm happy with that.
However, if you pull it in and get it to fill the background.
Okay.
Then what you want to do as well is make the background not so prominent. So if you click on the background and you look in this top right corner, there's this kind of thing over here with dots going lighter. Yeah, sorry, I don't know how much you know, so I'm just going to do everything.
Yeah, I'm pretty adept at all the stuff, the videos.
Okay.
The videos, I'm like just not in the mood to actually learn from scratch. Yeah. Full transparency down, yeah. Okay,
full transparency down. Then we're going to find under elements and or photographs. Elements, let's just find a lipstick. I mean, obviously you're going to find, or you're going to bring in a photograph you need.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's use this lipstick. Okay. So what we do is we put all the lipsticks we want on and we work backwards.
Oh, okay.
So this screen we're working on now is our final screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy, let's just do 4 lipsticks flying in. Okay. So we're going to copy this and paste it 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we're going to resize and move and turn around to wherever we wanted, however we wanted to look. Okay. So basically this is going to be our final screen once the lipsticks have all flown in. Okay. Then what we've got to do is down here at the bottom, we want to duplicate this screen. So if you click on the 3 dots, there's a duplicate page. Okay. And then the main thing to remember is we're working always on the page before. So this is our final one. So we click on this one because this is the one we want to work on. Okay. So say we want to start with this lipstick here, the one at the top. What we want to do is we want to move it off the screen, but there must be a little bit of this blue, this purple line around it. So we can move it like this, and then we can twirl it. Okay, just so there's it's still, so we're going to get it to fly in from here to where it was positioned. Yeah, I get what you're trying to do. Okay, then we duplicate the page again, and remember that's just the trick is to click on the next page. So we're working always on going left. Okay, so now for instance this lipstick we want to move it off and just get a tiny bit of it on. Duplicate the page. Make sure we're on that one. This lipstick, move it off duplicate the page, and then the final one is this big one. We're going to move it off. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if you play it now, it's okay, it's very slow, and the things just appear and they don't like zoom in. It's not very pretty.
Okay. I had no idea it was done this way. I'm sure there's so many ways to skin this cat, but at the same time, I wasn't in the mood to play around.
No,
but yeah.
no, absolutely. Then the trick now is, can you see there are these pluses here between the pages?
Yeah.
If you click on that plus, you can either add a new page or you can add a transition, which is like this little second part.
Yeah.
So if you click on the transition, you must use this one that says match and move.
Okay.
Because what that will do is it will take it from where you had it and match it down to the video. So can you see, like, if you use dissolve or slide, but what we want is the match and move so we can see it moving in.
Okay.
Okay, and then remember to do apply to all pages, because you don't want to have to go and do it one by one by one. I mean, you can, especially if you've done. Okay, then the next thing you want to do, okay, if you see up here, it's 4.7 seconds a page, which is excruciating. So you want to change the time, and you can decide is 1 second, 1.5. So you click on that. I'm going to do it. Should we do it for 1.5 seconds? And then once again, apply to all pages.
Okay.
Because that over here. Oops, apply to all pages. Now, if we play it, can you see how they kind of like slide in?
That's so cool.
That's slide.
So much I can do with this.
And not 100%. And then another thing you can do is if you plus at the end here and you can type in your company details, phone for an appointment, blah blah blah. Okay. And this particular page, okay, that's 5 seconds, because when the video ends, it can just stick on this page. Obviously, you'll put a background and you'll make it more pretty. But if you play it now, oh God, I can't even spell, gone for an appointment.
Don't worry, I get the idea.
Yeah. Whoops. And if you look at the top here, it tells you how long it is. So yeah, it looks quite sexy. And you know how to apply music to a video?
Not really. I haven't done. So I've seen all the buttons and stuff, and I haven't actually played with it. But I can see that I've used music before, but more for.
So here's your audio. Here's all the free ones. So you can choose whichever one you want. Here's a happy one, the happy whistling ukulele. Oh my God. I don't know, whatever. You tease me. So you just click and you pull it down.
No. Okay.
Let's try that again. Click and you pull it down so that it starts with the first slide. Then if you double click it, then it ends here at your last slide.
Okay.
And now if you play that again, and just let me share my sound. And there, and then you download it, and simple as that.
That's so cool. That helps me a lot. I can't even tell you how much.
Because you know what? I always